Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix if ChatGPT is not available in your country and you can't use ChatGPT in your country. Right, so if you open up ChatGPT, so chat.openai.com, and you see a message something like this, that not available, OpenAI services are not available in your country. It means that ChatGPT is not available for users in your country. This is regardless of your nationality. If you want to access ChatGPT from Italy or from China, you're not going to be able to use it. However, there is a quick fix for this, and all you have to do is use basically a VPN. The VPN I would recommend you to try out is ExpressVPN. It's great for ChatGPT. It works 100% of the time. And if you don't like it or you do not use ChatGPT anymore, then the great thing about ExpressVPN that you can try out for absolutely risk-free for 30 days. And if you do not like it, you just cancel your subscription and you get all your money back. And there's also an exclusive offer you can claim by clicking the link in the description below. I think you can get 3 months for absolutely free if you use the link in the description below. And once you sign up for ExpressVPN, all you have to do is change your IP address with the VPN to a country where ChatGPT is available. So in most cases you should use USA or UK, Germany, or any kind of European country. I'm not going to show you that in this tutorial because it's really easy to do, and there are also other tutorials on how to use ExpressVPN. And once you change your country to USA or UK or any kind of other country where ChatGPT is available, all you have to do is open up chat.openai.com, and instead of that message that ChatGPT is not available in your country, you're going to see this screen here. Welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. So if you don't have an OpenAI account yet, then click on sign up here. I have a tutorial on how to create an OpenAI account. If you have an OpenAI account already, then click on login and then add your email address and your password, and you're going to be able to access and use ChatGPT in a country where it's banned or it's not available. So all in all, this is how to fix the ChatGPT is not available in your country technical issue with a VPN.